Hi friends, thanks for tuning in today. You've reached Tiffany Baby TV. I need you to hit that subscribe button right now because this wig that I'm about to review for you guys might have me looking real foolish. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up right now before we begin, and then I'll let you watch me work. Alright, today we are talking about this high pony braided unit from Zury Sis Sister Wig. This unit I have in the color 1B, and it is braided all the way around, straight up into a ponytail. This unit does have an adjustable elastic band on the back to help with the security, and you also have a series of combs to help keep this in place. But this is what this looks like. This is straight out of the package before I've cut the lace or done anything else to it. There's the braided ponytail. This reminds me of Kendra, which I have already reviewed. That was from an African braided wig company, and I absolutely loved that one. So I have very high expectations right now. Let's see if we can make this one. Here's the cap construction turned inside out. As you can see, you have a lot of combs. So they recognize that you're going to need this one to be secured. So it looks like underneath each one of those braids in the front, there is a comb. There's only one comb in the back, so the combs are going to stop where the sides are, right where your temples would be. There's no comb back here, but that's where your adjustable band is, and as well as your straps. So I don't have any issues with that. All right, so I lied. There are actually two combs in the back, not just the one. There is lace in the back if you wanted to tie that down, to glue that down. And there's also really long curly baby hairs in the back. I guess to help with the realism in the back. I don't know. I can't even see them on the stock card, so I don't know where those came from. Let's get this on, guys. I'm nervous. This is different. All right, here we go. I'm trying to line it up straight. All right, so directly onto my head without the lace cut off. This is what you're going to get. All right, so it's not going to fall off. It's definitely on there pretty securely with the combs. They're really long, but the density of them is really nice. I appreciate when the baby hairs are not too excessive. All right, so this is coming all the way down onto my hairline. It's actually hanging over my ears a little bit, so it does fit good. But if you had a head that is significantly, or I wouldn't even say significantly, just a slightly larger than this, I don't think it would fit because it's fitting very conformed to my head. It's very comfortable. I wear a standard medium-sized cap. The wig block that I make is 22 inches, so I do think that my head is very medium-sized. So I would be concerned about this fitting if my head was any larger than what it is. Overall, though, it looks neat. It does. It looks really neat. I don't have any complaints about the braids or the flatness or the way that it's fitting onto my head. It actually looks damn good, if I do say so myself. Let's go ahead and look at it all the way around. I feel like those hairs back there look ridiculous, but I can't see them. I haven't seen them yet, so don't judge. That lace color I think looks pretty good. I didn't spray that. I haven't added any powder or done anything else to that. But let's go ahead and lay this one down, you guys. Alright, you guys, so my camera was dying, so I went ahead and laid the baby hairs down off camera because I wanted to make sure that I was able to come back and give you guys this final clip and let you see how the final look turned out. Okay, so this also gives you a couple of versatile styling options if you would prefer to wear it all up in a bun as well. Overall, for the price and for the convenience of being able to get it shipped from a reputable local beauty supply store that's domestic, that's not going to wait for DHL and have to come through customs and all of those things, this is acceptable. This is a fully approved sleigh. I actually like this way more than I thought I would. Do I like it more than Kendra? No, but there's a big difference between a full lace wig and a wig with just parting. So the difference in the naturalism, the difference in the way that it can be plucked, the difference in the way that it can be bleached, the difference in the way that the parts look, it's just night and day. But if this is more comfortable for you to purchase, and if this is something that you think that you would be more willing to purchase, and especially at this price point, then I do highly recommend this unit, and I do think that they did some great things with it. Thank you so much for watching Tiffany Pavey TV. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I love doing these reviews for you and spending some time and bringing you guys into my home, into my bedroom, as you can see, and sharing these sleighs with you girlfriends. So I hope that this was helpful for you. I hope that you're already subscribed, but if you are not already, go ahead and hit that button for me right now before you go. Have a wonderful rest of your day, friends. Give this video a big thumbs up on your way out, and make sure you continue slaying. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.